In this skills demonstration, we'll play with the barcode scanner component. Again, this is a very simple component, not much to understand now that we have a basic foundation with App Inventor. However, this tool can add a lot of power to connecting your devices to external resources. We'll find that not only can we scan barcodes of products, but we can also scan QR codes. Let's see how this goes. Okay, much like the camera, a barcode scanner works just by dragging the component onto the screen. And again, it doesn't have a visual component, but it's going to behave much the same way in that it calls an external barcode scanner on your phone and then returns the result back to your app. So to make this work, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a simple button here that says scan. And I'm going to have a label for the result. Okay, so let's see it in action in the block editor. Okay, so you barely need me for this one. I'm going to take the button, and when the button's clicked, I'm going to look at the barcode scanner, and I'm going to call the scan function. Okay, so it's going to go off and it's going to launch the barcode scanner app that's on your phone, that resides in your phone. When the scanner's done, it comes back into App Inventor and we fire off the after scan event. And what do I want to do with that result? For right now, I'll just stick it onto my text. Get result. Boom. Okay, so let's see if we can find an example of this working. Okay, here's a product that has a barcode, and here's my app. I'm going to push the scan button. Push the scan button, and it's going to take me out to my scanner. I'm going to focus on the barcode. When it's done, it beeps, and it comes back to me with my barcode value. Right? You can see actually the barcode value is actually repeated here on the app. It's on the product itself. Okay, I can find another one. Let's see. Here's a Diet Dr. Pepper can, and there's my barcode. Again, if I push the scan button, and then scan this guy, it beeps, it comes back, and we can see, we can see it's got my barcode number. Okay. Okay, so that barcode number doesn't really do much for me because I don't understand what those numbers mean. However, to the connected world, these numbers are very significant, right? They're a great way of referencing various products, right? So while I, as a human being, may not be able to interpret them, the web can. So I'm going to go ahead and add a web viewer to this application. And when I scan my barcode, I'm going to use that web viewer to look up what that barcode is related to. What's the product associated with it? So who knows about this? Well, of course Google knows about it. Let's just try Google. So I'm going to do similar to what I did in the web skills demonstration. I'm going to type in Google's address, google.com/search $Q equals. So that's searching for something. What is it searching for? It's searching for the result. Let's see how this behaves. So I've got a product here, a mystery product. We don't know anything about it. And I'm going to bring my app in, and I'm going to hit the scan button. And I'm going to scan this guy in. And lo and behold, it's Lifesavers. Okay, so I can get all sorts of information about my Lifesavers now. Nice. Here's another one. Again, a mystery product. I don't know anything about it. I scan the barcode. Oops. And now I'm going to get all sorts of information about this box of tissues. All right, so I can use my barcode scanner to scan barcodes and find out information about the products associated with those barcodes. But we see lots of other codes out on the web nowadays as well. One thing we see quite commonly are these QR codes, right? And this is just a QR code generator. You can create your own QR codes quite simply. Notice that as I type, it changes around the configuration of these boxes. It's encoding the information for me. So I can embed a bunch of text inside of this compact image. And interestingly enough, you can't see it, it's on my screen, the barcode scanner actually understands how to interpret QR codes as well. There, did you hear the beep? You can see I don't necessarily want to Google this, but my first option of just deciphering that message, decrypting that message, it's a way of getting a lot of text into my device really fast using these QR codes. So using the barcode scanner, the QR code scanner, is actually a very powerful tool that we have available to our apps. It's pretty commonly used that apps rely on some sort of way of transferring large bits of information visually through these codes. And now we know how to include them using App Inventor.